Okay, so this is question 5 on the concept check. It says Armando takes out a 30-year loan for $450,000 to put towards the purchase of a house. The bank charges 4.7% annual interest compounded monthly for the loan. How much does Armando pay in interest over the whole length of the loan? Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to try to find out Armando's monthly payments, and we'll use that information to then find out how much he pays in interest for the whole thing. Okay, so in order to find out the monthly payments, we'll use the amortization formula, which is, let's start it off with P parentheses 1 plus R over N parentheses N times T is equal to R bracket parentheses 1 plus R over N parentheses N times T minus 1 close bracket, and that's all over R over N. And then what I like to do now is identify my variables. So let's see. P is going to be A equal to, let's change the color here. Let's change it to green. So P is the principal. You guys can't really see that, huh? Okay, let's change it to pink. P is the principal, and that's going to be $450,000. R is the regular payments he makes to the loan. We don't know that, so that's our variable. We're going to be solving for R in the equation. Small r is the rate that they gave us from the bank, which is 4.75% or 0.0475. N is how many times it's compounded, and it looks like it's monthly. So that's 12 months in a year. And then T is how long it takes, the time in years. And it's a 30-year loan, so it's 30. Okay? So that's our information. Let's start plugging in the information to the equation. So we'll go P is 450,000, 450,000, parentheses 1 plus R is 0.0475 over N, which is 12. Let's close that parentheses. N times T, 30 times 12, 3 times 2 is 36. 360 is equal to, let's leave the R there because that's our unknown amount. Per bracket, 1 plus R is 0.0475 again, over 12. Close the parentheses. N times T is 360 again. Minus 1. Close the bracket. That's all over, let's see, 0.0475 over 12. Okay, so let's start on the left side here. That's the left side of the equation. Work on this side first. I always like starting off with a fraction, so let's do that. 0.0475 divided by 12 plus 1 to the power of 360. And then we're going to multiply that number by, well, let's write that down. So it is 4. Everything in the parentheses on the left side is equal to 4.1461786,218. Okay? And that's going to be multiplied by the 450K. Let's jump on over to the other side of the equation, to the right side. Again, we'll start with the fraction because it's easier to compute in the calculator. 0.475 divided by 12. We're going to plus 1 again. And then we're going to take that to the power of 360. And then different on this side, we're going to subtract 1. Okay? And that is our 3.14617 8621 8 over the 0.475. Let's convert that to a decimal. And that is 0.003938333. Okay. Okay. Let's stick on the right side of the equation. Let's do this division problem right here. So we're going to divide the 3.14 into the 0.003. Let's get 3.14, 617, 86218 divided by 0.00395 83333. And we get R parentheses 794.824079569. Let's work our way back to the other side of the equation now. 450K times 4.14. So now we're working on this multiplication problem right here. So 450,000 times 4.14617 86218, and we get a huge number. It looks like it's 1,865,780.3791. Okay, now let's isolate the variable r. So we're going to divide everything by this 794.82. Both sides of the equation. 0.79569. We're going to divide this side by 794. 824.079569. Bring down the equation. R is equal to a giant number, it looks like 1,865,780.37981 divided by 794,824,07,9569. Oops, calculated that wrong. Let me try that. 165,780.37981 divided by 794. There it is. 824,07,9569. And I got 2,347 and 41 cents. Boom. That's the monthly payments for Armando. But that's not what the final answer is going to be, because now we're looking for the interest over the whole length of the loan. So we're going to use this number right here. That's his monthly payment. So we're going to take 2,347.41, and then we're going to multiply it by how many times it's compounded monthly, which is 12. We know that one. And then we're going to multiply that by how long the loan was, which is 30 years. 30 years. So it's a 30-year loan. And that comes out to 2,347.41 times 12 times 30. 845,067.60. Okay, so that's how much he's paid over the entire 30 years. The difference between this number and this number should be the amount of the interest he paid. So let's try that. $845,067.60 minus, I believe it was $450,000 loan. Yes. Minus $450,000 equals 845,067.6 minus 450 is equal to $67.60. So this is the amount of interest he paid for the entire loan. 395,067.6. Is that one of the questions? Ooh. Okay, 395,067.6. It looks like my decimals might have been off a little bit, but it looks like this should have been the answer right here. 395,071.20. It's just a little bit off. It was probably because of some rounding errors. But yeah, there we go.